Let's go.
Let's get it.
Oh, now I gotta try to add this thing here.
Man, I slept.
There we
I
go.
slept bad after
Boom.
that.
All right, there it is. Yeah.
Let me do a wellness check on fam.
Yeah. I mean, it's probably a good thing I overslept for CPI anyway. CPI definitely just went crazy.
Yeah.
Let's say move.
So we came down a good chunk from the high, and that's understandable since we ran up that much. But what I was thinking yesterday, what do they plan on doing about this liquidity right here? Just slowly drop it again?
I knew I forgot to percent yesterday. These banks. Damn, we already moved 169 points for ES. God damn. That is insane. Yeah, my platform's having like crazy drag.
Damn.
I have crazy drag right now. Yeah. Yeah. That's not good.
What I did notice at news, I was watching the Nas 100 chart, and that was moving pretty clean. But I noticed that at news it got delayed. Ninja got delayed for a sec.
Yeah, that's typical. That's definitely typical. Oh, I think I know why it's doing that too, because I got a whole bunch of NQ charts that I actually have to reduce. That's why. I gotta reduce the number of days on these charts. Let me see. How many days I got? 5? Oh, I got 10. Let's get that down to 5. These are time, so that shouldn't matter.
Yo.
Full margin, Martin.
Hey, let's get it.
What's up? So all right, I gotta do my little routine stuff. I'm back. Ugh.
Order filled. Target filled.
My dog.
Yo,
I'm on my phone.
what up, fam?
What it do?
Let's get it. I'm leaving an hour early today, fam.
Putting in work or what?
Order
Yeah, I put in
filled.
some hours this morning.
That's what's up, bro. Hell yeah.
So some girl dropped her shift, so I picked it up.
Man, we didn't get home till like 3 in the morning.
Then you went to do a job last night?
Yeah.
Hey, that's what's up though.
Yeah, we went to do a little job. They called me up. I was like, hell yeah. We had just finished. Well, not me, cause um, I had my mechanic doing a truck. He had to do upper control arms, bottom control, lower control arms.
Yeah.
the knuckle, and then the
Order filled.
the rotors of a
Yeah.
truck. He got that done yesterday. We got paid, and then I got a call for that job. Some lady needed a tire for her Dodge Charger. We went out
Okay.
there.
Target filled.
Yeah, it was a little far. There was a thing. It was just a distance. The distance was
Target
the issue.
filled.
How far was he?
Like 45 minutes.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but I charged her good, so she was straight.
Hey, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I can't wait for these save 90s, bro. It's gonna be a good opportunity.
Man, that's what I'm saying. Yesterday, I wanted to get the Apex, but the reason I didn't get them is because I hadn't gone to the bank. They hadn't loaded nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So now since I got money yesterday, I stopped at the bank at night.
Yeah.
So it's loaded. I'm ready to just give me like 4 or 5 of them bitches.
Right. Right.
Order filled.
Yeah. I've been putting money aside, fam.
Target
I got
filled.
some money sitting aside to get me some accounts. I think I might give me like 7 or 8.
That's a bet. Yeah, I just want like 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah.
The
Cause
50Ks are good.
well, the cool thing about that, fam, is that once they refresh, you got them at. So even though let's say you got 5,
Order
right?
filled.
And
Yeah.
let's say they no longer have the save 90. So if you want to get an eval, now it's gonna cost you for the so at save 90 it'll cost
Target
you
filled.
15 to 16 bucks. Without the save 90, that's just gonna cost you like $20, $30. You know what I mean? No, probably like 30 bucks, bro. So you're looking
Yeah.
at twice as much for that. So
With the save 90s, you're locked in that route, huh?
yeah,
You're
that's what
locked
I'm
in
saying.
that price from month to month until you pass.
Yeah, and then the thing is, you start passing them, and then you start accumulating them, and then you start running out of evals.
Order
So it's
filled.
kind of nice to
Target
have them
filled.
just in there. You feel me?
You start seeing them PAs, and then once you
Yeah,
activate them, then you get payouts, or you can be eligible.
yeah. So you can what you can do is you can have some, even though you're paying the 15 bucks, don't even touch them unless you pass some accounts or blue them, whatever the case may be,
Yeah,
and bro, yeah, they'll last you. You know what I mean?
hell yeah,
Yeah, it's a good deal for sure.
yeah, for sure, bro. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good.
Yeah, that one of these PAs took a hit, but it's all good because one, I'm 200 away from payout threshold. So once I meet that threshold, I'm lock as like risk parameters. I'm gonna set it back to like $300 loss a day or $200 loss a day, and I'm just gonna go for like $100 a day and just slowly build it up.
Yeah, that's good. Hell yeah, sounds like a plan
Yeah,
for sure.
and I'm gonna have that little injection just in case it ever comes down.
Yeah, that sounds fire, bro.
Mm-hmm.
You damn right. That boy Lou.
So sometimes they have offers, and I know it's too much, but the 250Ks will be like at 26 bucks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's got like a $80 activation fee.
I think I seen that. I think I seen it was like $80 or something to activate.
Yeah, uh, and it normally the activation fee without any coupons or anything, it's like $800 or $1,000.
Sounds legit, man. Sounds legit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm about to go. Hold on. I'm out of mute for a bit. Me and my little girl gonna go outside to the bus.
All right, fam. I'll
Um,
catch
so,
you in a minute.
yeah. All right, bro.
Good morning.
Morning, Auntie. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey.
Oh, CPI.
It's been a crazy market, hasn't it?
Oh my God. This shit crazy. I don't even know how people survive in this. Woo.
You see what happened yesterday?
God, wait.
We ran up like 14, 15% in
Mm,
the whole Nasdaq.
crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody gonna ready to kill they gonna ready to kill what's his name? Trump. They
Yeah.
people white folks don't play with when it come their money. He about to get really they about to get on him.
Yeah, it's just wild.
They don't be playing no games with this. They on some craziness. This is
But
wild.
there was some other days where CPI was like 3%, and at that we thought it was like the craziest thing we ever seen in our lives, but that was 14, 15% in one day.
Look at that big old candle. The market went crazy.
Yeah.
People make money though. Those who did it. Did you trade CPI? We're not supposed to be trading CPI in some of these prop firms.
Yeah.
Mm, this is crazy. What is going? Oh my God! What is going on? Did you? I guess it's what you're talking about that happened yesterday, like in the afternoon, when it just
Yeah, it ran up like crazy.
crazy. Jeez, it went up until this daily fair value got. This is crazy, yo. I don't know. My Ninja Trader can't even handle this volatility.
Yeah, it's insane. See how we were just up there a second ago?
Uh-huh.
And yeah, it's insane. Yeah, we've been trying to be cautious as well.
This is crazy. Oh, I like that little account data thing that you put on there. That's good.
Hey, yeah, Lou set me up. That really helped.
I said that's Lou right there.
Mhm.
Next trade Lou.
Next trade Lou.
Next trade Lou. That's Lou. That's next trade Lou's signature.
Yeah, hey man,
My dog.
everything that he's helped me with, it really taken me to the next level. Real talk.
Yeah,
You
I said that's a smart ninja right there.
That's my dog.
Yeah, he's smart. Lou is really smart. He too smart. Sometimes I be getting on my nerve. I feel like, shut up, B. You damn smart.
Hey, that's a fact.
That's my dog.
That's a fact. He's a genius. Real talk.
Yeah, for real. And he don't mind sharing. That's why he gonna continue to be blessed.
To prosper.
He don't mind sharing. He don't mind sharing. He loves teaching too. He's definitely he loves to teach.
That really brings prosperity to your life, honestly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what's up, Martin? Who's that, Martin? I just kept hearing, like, you know how people be DJing and all of a sudden just say something, you don't hear them no more. What's up, Martin? Oh, he gone.
Yo.
What's going
Hey.
on?
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Damn, this one, I don't even know how to judge this shit no more. I don't know where the market going. I don't understand. Now, the market could decide to, okay, it busted through these daily fair value gaps 1 and 2. Busted through, came down, created a new high. It came down, went into that second daily fair value gap, but never busted through it again. It didn't it mitigated it once and then it didn't do it again. I don't know where the hell this market going. Maybe 18,600, maybe. What y'all think? What's y'all sell side liquidity? Like, what liquidity you think the market going to?
If we were to sell,
Huh?
man, I don't know. I think we might go for London high, to be honest. We might go for London high, possibly. But
London high.
If you think about it, yesterday we went up 15%. So man, there's a bunch of liquidity all over the place.
I'm saying, like, and then look at that huge fair value gap from yesterday, a 5-minute fair value gap from yesterday when they did that big jump yesterday.
Yeah.
It's a huge fair value gap that is like sitting right there. But it's between like next to 17,875.
875.
At this point, I can't even use the ATM. My ATM strategies are not even working with this market, B.
Yeah. We've been doing a little experiment. We only been going for 2 points.
I mean, at this point, I gotta manually trade. Like, I can't even use a strategy because
right.
By the time I go into get into a trade, the shit is so volatile.
It's too volatile.
It hits my stop before I can even get my mouse, to do anything.
Oh, absolutely right. Absolutely right. I hear you. I'm I've been having the same issue. That's why I haven't even been able to. I don't think I've been able to trade my ATM really. Anytime I tried it, it's hit stop loss like right away.
Yeah, that's why I just gotta do manage. I have like ATM and manage is like your target be way away and your stop just be way away from your entry, so that way it can give you time to kind of like figure out like what's what.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta at this point, it seems like you gotta manually do stuff because it seemed like these ATMs are like, because my ATM, as soon as I get into the trade, and I'm doing replicanto, so as soon as I get into a trade, it's like by the time I'm trying to like because it takes a minute order fill order fill order fill order fill order fill. So by the time it goes through all my orders, the shit done hit my damn stop. I'm like, God damn.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I hear you. It's so hard. Um, and even playing with with the micro, it's kind of hard to manage that. You know what I mean?
I'm saying it's really hard. It's been hard for me. So now I'm just doing manual trades. I just control it when I get in there.
Yeah. For this past week, I've been doing 2 points, just going for 2 points, and that's it. Normally, I go for 20 points, but now it's just 2 points.
Is he speaking today?
Trump.
They need to have news, just a whole platform just saying that the Negro speaking today.
I think Lou got a website where it tells you what days he's speaking.
Okay, I'm sense. Oh man.
Verga.
Oh, Ricky. Dang, why don't want to lock me in? 5 minutes. Oh.
Daily candles looking bearish. Possible dump.
Yeah, 3 minutes.
We might go for London, huh? Or New York low. Induce sales, but then push back up. That's a fake out. Pretty much feel the inverted fair value.
Whoa.
Rejection right here. Let's see. Oh shit. Fucked up.
God damn, I just got back in front of the charts. Yo, this shit dumping.
We're having a dump right now.
Dump.
That's a nice dump.
God damn.
I'm actually
I was telling Auntie, as much as we ran up yesterday, I wonder how
Oh,
much.
Auntie's in the building? What up, Auntie?
Yeah.
What's up, Lou?
Hey.
What's going
What'd you
on?
say? I woke up mad late. I wasn't even prepared for shit. But that's all good. What you were saying, Serge?
I was
My
saying
fault, I didn't mean to cut you off.
as much as we ran up yesterday, I wonder, if we are to continue to pull back a little bit. Pull back from
Right.
all that liquidity that we left behind.
Yeah. Yep.
Because I think we already like 3% down for the day. Was it?
Yeah. That was a crazy run up yesterday. That was yeah. I don't even have words for it.
Yeah, we're 3% down for the days, and how much
Yeah.
was? I think it was 14, 12. I think it was 14. Yeah.
14 what percent up yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy for an index. Yeah.
Bro.
I think yesterday they said when I was looking at it was the second highest percentage daily gain in history.
Since 2008. Yeah.
No, not even since 2008. That's in history.
And all together, yeah.
in all of history, yeah. Yep. Because I think the
Beautiful buy, y'all.
Since 2008.
Mm-hmm.
Since 2008, this is the biggest. I think the largest percentage gain was in 2001 that I saw when I looked it up. Yeah.
That's insane.
Mm-hmm. Crazy. Yep. All right. Oh, market open. Okay. Let's go. What we doing? Okay. Long there. Push up.
Whoa.
That's crazy. But, yo, 50 points in the Nasdaq right now is like it's like 50 points is like half of a 1 minute or a quarter of a 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Big dump. I'm not playing any games, man. Yeah.
That price from here, man. Come on. Let's go up. Yeah, come on.
That's insane right there.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Remember, this is it's gonna confuse everybody. Try to just get positions, accumulate. I'm thinking up though, y'all have a good setup for a buy.
87.
Just the stop loss has to be wide enough.
87 points down, 87 points up.
Yeah. Insanity type shit. All right. We're in the 800s, huh?
800,
yep. 833, 828, 834, 37, 39, 42, 53, 47, 42, 49, 51, 55, 57, 62.
Yeah, my shit lagging. Nope. No trades for me. Yes.
There's this volatility. It's scary.
Yeah. Okay, it's catching up now. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, I see where we are. Okay. Cool. 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 All right.
Yeah, we're chopping.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. We are good. We are good. All right.
Let's go.
Yeah. What a dump.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's volatile as a mile.
Yeah.
Wow. What time you go to work, Serge?
20 minutes for now.
We're good. We're good. We're green.
Yeah, definitely
Hold.
green. I,
Hold.
I'm right
This.
in one account, and this is the from the PAs. This is the one that's been taking the most hits. I'm actually, as a whole, I'm $900 down, and that's okay. And both of the other accounts, I'm close to the threshold I'm looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Good shit, bro.
I already
That's
started.
fire.
Already started de-risking on those accounts.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
I really don't like the volatility right now. Like the way
Yeah,
it's moving is just search and destroy, boom, boom, boom,
yeah,
accumulate, boom, boom, boom. It's like it's crazy. Right? I'm like,
yeah. I think that was my last trade of the day.
we might be seeing London liquidation. We might take the low on New York and London right now. Honestly,
I was expecting a dump.
the dump's coming. It looks like it
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
for sure.
Now,
Look at that.
to,
It was just like accumulating contract though. Like
ooh,
there we go.
Yeah. We'll
but
see if they sweep.
to be honest, since we had all this volatility in these moves, what used to be a dump to our eyes, we can. That's just now just regular candles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's crazy.
An adjustment. We definitely made that crazy adjustment just to look at it and see, okay, on a normal day, that candle is like probably 20 points. Now that's 100 points.
Yeah, we were like, yo, market's dumping hard. Oh shit, we 70 points down. And I was like, where's the dump coming? And
Right.
little 1 minute candles moved up 80 points.
Yeah, this is
Yeah. Looking at 707. Market go for 707. Now we're going for 707. That candle's big on the 5. Still got 2 minutes. Clap.
There we
Boom.
go.
Already.
There's a dump.
Yeah. And we went. Boom.
Need to crack that 700. Hey Serge, make sure when you select your ATM, make sure you click the ATM and then also look at the order quantity. Also widen that chart trader, bro. For yourself. You heard, Serge?
Yeah, I got a toothpaste in my mouth. Hi.
Oh, yeah, you gotta widen that chart trader for yourself, just so you can see things.
Oh, there?
No, nope, that's the chart. I'm saying to widen the chart trader. There you go. So you can see things better. Yep. There you go. Yes, sir.
Now we can go up. Or no? We're still going down. Looks like possibly going up for a bit. Back.
Yeah, today might not be the day to play with these people.
Yeah, the day. Yeah, some days just ain't it, like, or at least at the time being. Like for now, I don't know. They went down, swept the 700s, and was like, ha, 50-point bounce.
I
Like,
don't even know.
that shit crazy.
I don't even know. You hear me?
Oh man, yeah. I was ready to pull the trigger.
Yeah, don't do it.
Nope.
No, sir.
I'm about ready to call it a day.
Yeah, bro. Bro. That's how you know. That's how you know this market is crazy. We up here 15 minutes in. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yo, you took any trades yet? Nah, I ain't taking no trades yet. You don't want to look at trades? Nah, bro. I'm good. I'm good.
Oh.
These candles are wilding.
This is crazy.
Oh man.
Like Auntie said, this just making my stomach hurt.
Yeah, like, this ain't it. Like,
oh, look at that gap, but y'all didn't see that gap? Y'all don't have that gap on. That's a fucking gap.
What gap? What time
top,
frame?
1 minute. Now you don't have it on yours, but mine's like ridiculous, bro.
I got to the 1 minute chart. Damn, this shit is it's a 4 minute lag. Oh my god, bro. I can't even run this shit. Okay. Yeah.
Dang. Oh, that bike.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Morning, Oliver.
Morning.
Man, it's a wild morning, fam.
The Wild Wild West.
Haven't even looked at the charts yet. Y'all heard about the glitch yesterday?
On what platform?
On Tradeaway. The
6E. Yep. Well, it wasn't. It's been like that for a couple months.
What is it, fam?
The glitch.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah. What is that?
I actually did the glitch on Apex, and they reset the account.
Yeah, and basically, like, it was instant. Like, as soon as you enter a trade, it's an instant target, and you can be up a lot of money. So,
give me that.
That was the real give me that. That was a real glitch. So there's basically there's a trader. I'm not even gonna say his name, but just know that he's getting some money. He's about to get a big ass payout from Apex, and he took a trade yesterday, and he ended up going up 12,000 per account or something. And then so he reached out to everyone like, yo. There's a crazy glitch. Like, I know I don't want to compromise my payout that I have coming up, so y'all can resolve this. Y'all can either remove that. Y'all can keep it. Y'all can keep the balance. Y'all can remove them profits. Just do whatever. But I just want to come to a decision. I don't want to mess up my shit. And Tradeify CEO said, it's cool. But I think they put out a statement basically saying that they're suspending that instrument. I mean, they fixed it and whatnot. So if they know that if you tried to game the system knowingly, they're gonna ban you. That's what Tradeify. That's what Brett Simba said. And then Apex said
he took it back.
Fixed it too. No, that's what I'm saying. So initially, no, he didn't take that back. He said
No,
if you,
on his Discord, he said he wasn't gonna ban everyone. He's just gonna remove the gains.
but on his Twitter, he said he said the rule is if you knowingly game the system and knowing that there's a glitch, he gonna do something. He might ban you. He did say
He
that.
did. He did on Twitter, but then on Discord, he said later on, he's like, I'm not gonna ban anyone. I'm just gonna
He just
remove all the gains from that contract.
Yep. But
So
do know
because the homie did
in the
it.
future though, he will ban people if they knowingly do that.
Oh, I bet because
Yeah.
a friend of mine told me about the glitch. So his Tradeify accounts got reset and my Apex got reset. I did it on one of my Apex. I just reset it and said, "Fuck it, let me try it."
Damn.
So my 20 grand that I made in 0.3 seconds was removed back to zero.
Damn.
I don't care, bro. It was worth the try.
It's funny. It's funny.
It was worth the try, bro. I ain't even mad.
Hell yeah, bro.
Hey, Lou, we can recreate that. Give me that from them too.
Yeah, that's funny.
15 NQs.
Oh my god, 15 NQs, a couple ticks. Give me that.
Give me that.
Yeah. Nah, but that
Bro,
at least they didn't ban you though. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff.
This was no drawdown, and it was like 0.3 seconds. Like you literally enter, limit,
exit,
done, and you're up 20 grand. And I was just like, oh man, I made too much. I only needed 15.
That's crazy. What you did it yesterday?
Yeah, I did it yesterday.
Wait, you did it after they mentioned the glitch?
No, so I did it like around Asia time. And then homie snitched on himself.
Yep.
Like towards the end of Asia.
Oh, okay.
And then after he snitched on himself,
like a dummy, right?
The only ones that were notified were Tradeify and Apex. Because I know people that did it on other platforms, and they still got gains. They haven't been reset.
Wow.
What time was the glitch? Exactly. I'm sorry. Hey, Oliver, my name is Amina. I haven't met you before.
Hi. What'd you say?
I said my name is Amina. I haven't met you before. I was saying hi.
Oh, hi, Amina. No, I meant before. What was your question?
Oh, I would say, what time was the glitch?
So around Asia, when Asia opened yesterday, that's when my friend told me about it, and he did it on his. He did like 7 accounts.
Mm-hmm.
So, but apparently this has been going on for earlier than that.
Crazy.
Yeah, bro, fucking snitch on him. If he hadn't said shit, we would have all been like fine.
It's crazy.
Getting 20 bands every night to get a payout by next week.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't want to touch my funded account. I'm pretty sure that's what tripped him out. But like evals, who gives a fuck about an eval?
Right. Yeah, but like he snitched on himself. But I kind of understand why he did, because he's not trying to compromise that big ass payout he's about to get. So he was like, oh, yo, hey, I got a big ass joint coming. Hey, I don't want y'all to say no, deny because of this, but I'm getting out ahead of it now.
Wink, wink.
Type shit. Yeah. So, but I understandably, I get it. He snitched on himself, but I'm reading the post and I'm like, what? And I look and he says like the price didn't even go to the spot, and I'm like, oh, okay, all right, damn. That'd have been dope if you had that profit, bro. That'd have been dope if you were able to keep that shit.
Yeah, but you know, as long as people don't snitch, I mean, you keep it.
Yep. Because look, that's what happened with the bonds at some point. That's why there was all them denials last year around this time. That's when they started, because of the same situation in 6E was happening in all the bond market.
I remember that.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that.
Yep. And that's why, like, basically, people weren't getting that crazy of gains, but it was a infinite money glitch of like, you can get $300. You enter, exit $300.
people was like, oh, okay, let me do this in 20 accounts. I'm up 320 accounts every day, every day, every day, every day. And it was, yeah, and it was a
man,
group.
there's some haters in it.
Yeah, and it was a group of 100 people doing it in a Discord. 300, 300, 300.
That's what Nodi was talking about. I remember that too. Yeah.
Yeah, and that's when the denial started coming. That's when Apex started being like, "Yo, record yourself trading," because there was people doing it that didn't even know how to trade. They jumped in a Discord group and was like, "Yo, download the trader, get these accounts, do this, do that," and then people was like, "Yo, all right, enter. Everyone sell market now." Boom. Like they created an ATM, sell market, boom, sell market, boom.
Damn.
Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. So yeah, it. But the homie really did that. Yes, I was, bro, all over. I was looking at it yesterday, like, yo, what the fuck? I think he was up a total. What was it? All over 52K, 52, something like that. Some number.
Who was the guy?
No, 20K. 20K. I just did a 250K account.
No. I'm saying, dude on Twitter was up 52.6K across all accounts.
Oh yeah, fucking 12 grand each. It's crazy.
12 grand each.
That's gonna be a nice payout.
Yeah,
but I think he was scared because he was trying to get $1 million payout. So this glitch would have like
2 million.
They would have banned him and then reset, and then he would have been losing it all. So I do understand why he snitched on himself, but still mad he snitched.
Right. Oh man, yeah, he's on pace. He's about to get a $2 million payout from Apex. So, I think Trader. So you said Tradeify removed the balances.
So Tradeify and Apex, they just removed the gains.
Okay.
But as far as I know, there are 2 other firms where the gains are still there. So I'm like, just because the homie's the one that did it. So, but from what I heard, there was multiple people that did it. So who knows how many fucking companies got fucked up yesterday?
Damn.
Not that I'm mad. Like fuck that. Game the system. Because if it had been the reverse, these companies wouldn't have said shit. They'd be like, "Oh, you blew your account? Too bad. Get another account. Oh, you blew your funded? Oh well, fuck you." But because they're the ones getting fucked, now they're just like, hold up.
I remember I saw Brett replied and was like, he said thanks for letting me know. He said something along the lines of, but then he was like, "You're good. Like your balance is fine. You'll keep those." But I think, that's what he said. Yeah. Well, yeah, you're right, bro. Brett definitely did say, he said he's not gonna he said it, he initially said he's gonna ban people, but then in the Discord he said he's not. That's right. You're right about that. Yep.
Yeah, no, my homeboy was fucking shitting bricks. He's like, "Fuck, I'm about to get banned," because he did it on 2 Tradeify accounts.
Damn, straight to funded too, huh?
I don't know what he did, but he was like, the one that told me, he's like, "Fuck, they got me. I'm about to get banned."
Damn.
This shit crazy. It's just too much.
What is the market?
No, all this stuff with the prop firms and stuff, shit crazy.
Yeah.
Rest on. Like you don't know if you're fucking coming or going, B.
Yeah. It's been some crazy years. That's for sure. Remember what was it, 2 years ago when all those props went down like at once?
Crazy,
yeah. Fast track and profit trade. Everyone thought profit trade was gonna do something, but nope.
And what was it, my MF or something?
Order submitted.
Was it? I don't know. It was like some.
Which one are you talking about?
It was like my funded or M something. Because a homeboy gave it a shot. I remember he was about to get his payout, and then that shit went down.
I know fast. You're not talking about fast track trading, right?
I remember when fast track went down too.
Okay.
Because they used to have like daily payouts, I think. Because and they have those self-funded accounts. Let me see.
Oh.
Let's go. Buy. Full margin money.
Okay.
Order filled.
Dumpy. Ooh. Dumpy.
Order submitted.
I like that little rejection. Nice.
Dumpy McDumperson. Oh, he's short. Give me that. Oh. Okay.
Oh,
yeah,
man.
this is a heavy short. This is heavy.
Oh, I missed it.
Order filled.
Am I lagging? Oh yeah, I missed it.
This is very heavy.
Order filled.
This is super heavy.
We broke the low of the day, didn't we?
Well past.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah. We're coming up to a little support spot right now. Let's see what they do.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, that was a nice move lower.
All right, yo. I'm about to get ready for work.
Calling it?
Yeah, I'm calling it a day.
Okay, word.
All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. I'll do a wellness check when I get back.
Okay, word.
Good luck, everybody.